Okay, we're doing a review on this Sansitech motion activated ceramic LED security light, and it comes with a nice seal, an adapter. It attaches to a standard residential light box. So if you're outside, obviously where you would be attaching this, back porch or on the outside somewhere around your home, it's going to fit any standard light that you have out there. That you're just going to remove your existing light. You're going to put this bracket right here. It's going to fit right on the screws on the corners of that residential light box, and you'll attach that, and then this big bolt right here will screw right through this hole, come out the other side right here, and it will screw right into this little hole. One bolt attaches this to your box. It's that easy to install. And this seal, of course, is put underneath here around, so that it keeps out moisture, bugs, things like that. Now this is a 36 watt light, so it uses 36 watts per hour, which is very, very, very little of energy. And it's LED, so you know the lights are going to last for years. And it puts out, though, 3,600 lumens. Now that's a lot of light. And you've got these 4 on each one of these 4 LED lights on each one of your holders here. This is your motion sensor. It is a motion censored light. Now, this guy is made out of ceramic, which I really like, because it's going to keep its color. It's not going to deteriorate and rust. You're not going to worry about repainting it and all of that. So this is a great idea. It's also very, very light, but it's durable. And I like the adjustments on this thing. Most of your lights, you got to take a screw and you have to undo the screw so it notches, notch, and then you tighten it back. But this one, it's just really tight, and you just move it into the position that you want it to be in. It just stays in that position. And most of the time we move these into a position once. We might move them a couple of times after that till we get it just right. But then that's it. We just leave it. So this is perfect. You can adjust the sensor, motion sensor up and down, which will help on how far the sensor will detect motion to turn on the lights. Now they have several modes on this. You've got the test mode, of course, that's when you're setting it up. But the auto mode is what allows this thing to detect motion, turn the light on, keep it on for however many minutes you set it for, and it'll turn off. It also has what's called on time, which basically just means it's switch controlled. And so the sensor doesn't work anymore. The day and night doesn't work anymore. You turn this thing on and off with your switch. Now up underneath here, you have the lux control for to be able to control not the brightness of the light, but the sensitivity of the motion sensor. So if there's light somewhere else that's kind of shining in the direction, you can adjust the sensitivity of this lux, and it allows it to accommodate for light that might be able to shine in this direction and still turn on and off at day and night the way it's supposed to. You have the timer, which tells the light how long you want it to stay on. And I would adjust all these, by the way, to about halfway. It's what they suggest. And then you have the range, and that's for the motion sensor. How far do you want it to be able to detect? Adjust them about halfway, then you can go back and fix that later. So I really like the style and how it's made, how easy it is to install. So let's go put it in, and then I'll give us we'll be able to see it come on and off, and in action with the motion and how bright the light is.